In this video, we will explore two innovative laundry solutions designed for small spaces: the portable washing machine and the ROVSUN washer-dryer combo. We'll delve into their unique features, usability, and how they cater to the needs of those living in compact environments. Whether you're a student in a dorm, a traveler in an RV, or someone with limited laundry space, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. The portable washing machine is designed for washing only, making it a semi-automatic solution that requires manual wringing and air drying. In contrast, the ROVSUN washer-dryer set offers a full wash and dry cycle, allowing users to complete their laundry in one go without the need for manual transfer. This functionality is crucial for those who want a comprehensive laundry solution. The portable washing machine is extremely portable, with a foldable design that makes it easy to transport and store, perfect for camping or small apartments. On the other hand, while the ROVSUN set is compact, it requires a dedicated space for both the washer and dryer, making it less portable but still suitable for small living environments. When it comes to capacity, the portable washing machine can handle small loads of up to 2.2 pounds, making it ideal for delicate items. In contrast, the ROVSUN washer can wash up to 17.6 pounds, making it a better choice for families or those with larger laundry needs. This significant difference in capacity highlights the suitability of each product for different user requirements. In conclusion, the choice between the portable washing machine and the ROVSUN washer-dryer set ultimately depends on your specific laundry needs and living situation. If you prioritize portability and low-cost solutions for small loads, the portable washing machine is an excellent option. However, if you require a full laundry experience with the ability to wash and dry larger loads, the ROVSUN set is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.